What if you could walk into any room just like your favorite celebrity and radiate confidence? Picture this. You stride into a room, your head held high, a knowing smile playing on your lips. There's an aura about you, an irresistible magnetism that draws people in. That's the power of confidence. Confidence is not just about feeling good about yourself. It's a critical element that shapes our lives. It affects how we see ourselves, how others perceive us, and how we navigate the world. Let's take a moment to consider the importance of confidence in our daily lives. Think about it. When you're confident, you're more likely to take risks, to step out of your comfort zone. You're not afraid to voice your opinions or stand up for what you believe in. You're more likely to pursue your dreams, no matter how daunting they might seem. Confidence can also have a profound impact on our personal and professional interactions. It can be the difference between acing a job interview and falling short, between sparking a meaningful connection and feeling isolated. But don't just take my word for it. Let's look at a popular celebrity who embodies the power of confidence, Beyoncé. Now here's someone who exudes confidence in every sense of the word. She's not just a Grammy-winning artist, she's a businesswoman, a philanthropist, a trailblazer. When Beyoncé steps onto a stage, she commands attention. She's not just performing, she's captivating her audience, inspiring millions around the world. And that, my friends, is the power of confidence. Yet it's not just about having confidence, it's about wielding it effectively. It's about knowing your worth and not being afraid to show it. It's about embracing your strengths and acknowledging your weaknesses. It's about stepping into the spotlight, not because you crave attention, but because you have something valuable to share. Now, the question you might ask is, how can I become more confident? Well, stick around because we're about to delve into some simple techniques that can help you radiate confidence just like your favorite celebrity. Gaining confidence isn't as complicated as you might think. It might seem like a daunting task, but it's all about breaking it down into manageable steps. Firstly, let's talk about positive self-talk. It's a simple concept, yet so powerful. Think of it as your internal dialogue, the voice inside your head that shapes your perception of yourself and your abilities. If this voice is constantly negative, it can erode your confidence. But if you can turn that voice into a cheerleader, a motivator, even a kind friend, then you have a powerful tool to boost your confidence. The trick is to catch yourself when you start doubting and replace those thoughts with positive affirmations. It's about saying, yes, I can, instead of, no, I can't. Next, let's consider body language. Your posture, your gestures, even your facial expressions can have a profound impact on your confidence. A simple act of standing tall, maintaining eye contact, or smiling can make you feel more confident. It's a bit like acting. If you act confident, you'll start to feel confident. So, the next time you walk into a room, imagine you're a movie star making that grand entrance. Lastly, we have self-care. It's not just about pampering yourself, but also about taking care of your mental and physical health. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, enough sleep, all these contribute to a healthier you. And a healthier you is a more confident you. It's about feeling good in your skin, about knowing that you are taking care of yourself. So there you have it. 3 simple steps: positive self-talk, confident body language, and self-care. Each one a powerful tool in your journey to boost your confidence. And remember, this isn't a one-and-done deal. Like any skill, confidence needs practice. It's about making these steps a part of your daily routine, about challenging yourself to step out of your comfort zone every day. Remember, confidence is not a destination, but a journey. It's about embracing the process, about celebrating every little victory along the way. So keep going, keep growing, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. Because you, my dear friend, are more capable than you think. Now let's delve into the darker side of confidence. Dark psychology, a term that may seem ominous, is actually a fascinating field of study. It's an exploration of the human mind's deeper, hidden layers, where fears, insecurities, and vulnerabilities reside. While it might initially seem disconcerting to dig into this dimly lit corner of our psyche, it's here that we can uncover the roots of our lack of confidence. Imagine for a moment a popular, charismatic figure, someone like Beyoncé. What sets her apart isn't just her talent, but her unwavering confidence. But has she always been this way? The truth is, even the most poised personalities have grappled with self-doubt and fear. Beyoncé, like many of us, had to confront her insecurities to reach the level of confidence she displays today. So how does dark psychology tie into this? It's simple. By understanding our fears and insecurities, we can confront them head-on. we can begin to understand why we feel a certain way in specific situations. Why does public speaking make us nervous? Why are we afraid of failure? By asking these questions, we're delving into our own dark psychology. Here's where it becomes empowering. Once we understand our fears, we can begin to challenge them. This is the key to building confidence. It's not about never feeling afraid or insecure. Rather, it's about acknowledging these feelings and deciding to act despite them. Think of it like a shadow. A shadow is not a sign of darkness, but rather a sign that there is light nearby. Similarly, our fears and insecurities are not signs of weakness, but indications that we have the potential for strength and confidence. By understanding our dark psychology, we're shining a light on our shadows, revealing the path to confidence. Beyoncé didn't become a global icon overnight. She faced her fears and insecurities, used them as stepping stones, and built an empire of confidence. If she can do it, so can you. Harnessing the power of dark psychology can take your confidence to new heights. After all, it's not about eliminating our fears, but about learning to dance with them. What if we told you there are some simple hacks to boost your confidence instantly? Yes, you heard it right. There are some simple and effective techniques that can help you step up your confidence game in an instant. Let's start with power poses. Just like our favorite celebrities, we all have that one pose that makes us feel invincible. Think of Superman, standing tall with his chest out and hands on his hips. This is a classic example of a power pose. It may sound silly, but research shows that standing in a power pose for just 2 minutes can significantly increase your confidence. So, next time when you're feeling nervous, just strike your power pose and let the magic happen. Now, let's move on to visualization techniques. This is a technique often used by top athletes and successful individuals around the world. It involves picturing yourself succeeding in whatever situation you're facing. Imagine yourself walking into a room and owning it, just like Beyoncé would. Visualizing success can help you feel more confident and prepared for any situation. So, give it a try. Finally, let's talk about affirmations. These are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to foster self-belief. They can be as simple as, "I am confident," or "I can handle this." The trick is to say them with conviction. When you say these affirmations out loud, you start to believe them, and this belief translates into confidence. Remember, these are not overnight miracles. They require practice and consistency. But once you master these techniques, you'll find yourself becoming more confident in every aspect of your life. These confidence hacks can serve as your secret weapon in any situation. So go ahead, strike your power pose, visualize your success, and repeat your affirmations. You'll be amazed at how these simple hacks can help boost your confidence instantly. In the end, confidence is about embracing your unique self. We've journeyed together through the conundrum of confidence, unlocking its code, delving into the dark psychology of it, and finally, to the practical hacks that can help you instantly boost your self-assuredness. Let's take a moment to revisit the key points we've discussed. We started by understanding that confidence is not about being perfect or being liked by everyone. It's about accepting yourself, warts and all, and believing in your abilities. We looked at examples from a popular celebrity who showed us that even those in the spotlight grapple with their insecurities, and yet they rise above them and shine. We then unraveled the confidence code, which lies in the power of positive self-talk, body language, and taking action despite fear. We explored how our minds are wired and how we can rewire them for confidence using techniques from the field of dark psychology. Then we went on to share some confidence hacks that you can start applying today. Remember, dressing confidently, setting small achievable goals, and practicing gratitude are just a few ways to boost your self-esteem. But let's not forget, confidence is a journey, not a destination. It's a personal journey that requires time, patience, and practice. It's about making small, consistent changes in your mindset and behavior. It's about celebrating your small wins and learning from your setbacks. So don't be disheartened if you don't see changes overnight. Keep practicing these techniques, keep believing in yourself, and most importantly, keep embracing your unique self. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post something new to help you grow. Remember, the world needs your confidence, so go out there and shine.